Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll have to drag down the slide bar from the top right corner of your screen. So once you drop down it, you'll get to see focus option available there. Long press on it, then tap on the plus icon in the bottom, then tap on the costume, and now simply write down your name. You can also change the color of your name or the icon you want to set it according to your preferences. So once you have done it all according to your preferences, simply continue with the next option available there. Again, tap on the create, and now you have successfully created your named focus. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen, slide down and toggle on the your name focus. Now again, drop down the slide bar and tap on the focus, and there you will find your name. Tap on it and now go to the lock screen and you'll find your name. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.